Hello viewers, this is Aravinder Annai Arut channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see a Bihar farmer producing a miracle vegetables called as hoop shoots worth rupees 1 lakh per kg. For more information we shall go to the inside of the video. I request you to all to kindly watch this video in full. Now we shall go to the inside of the video. Hello viewers, a vegetable that sells for rupees 1 lakh per kg abroad is now cultivating in Bihar, Aurangabad. Amresh Singh, a farmer from Karamdik village under the Naveen Nagar block of Bihar's Aurangabad district, is trying his hand at cultivating hoop shoots touted as world's costlier crop. Amresh planted the sapling a couple of months ago after buying the sapling from the Indian Vegetable Research Institute at Varanasi. Given the rarity of the crop in Indian markets, it is bought only upon special orders and deliveries also take a long time. An intermediate pass from Azribab St. Columbus College, the 38 years old farmer is the first to start hoop shoots cultivation on 5 kathas of land. I am happy to say that more than 60% of its cultivation has happened successfully, Amrit Singh told the press. What makes this plant so special is that every part of the plant, right from the fruit, flower to the stem, has multiple usages, said Amrit Singh. It is very useful to the beer industry as the crops flower, the hoop cones or strobile serve as a stability agent. It is also potential natural remedy for managing tuberculosis and can be used for skin care and also for cancer also. Discovered in the early 11th century, the crop used as flowering agent in beer and then it is used in herbal medicine and as a vegetable gradually. European countries like Britain and Germany already have a set market for hoop shoots. In terms of India, hoop shoots cultivation used to happen in Himachal Pradesh but was gradually halted. While the cultivation of the crop is being encouraged as it would help farmers grow financially, a recent report by the Tribune said that hoop shoots cultivation is going extinct. This is especially happening in Himachal, Lahul and Spiti because farmers are unable to get a good price for the crop. Since the cultivation is based on traditional farming, it has failed to increase production. Local farmers have mostly suffered because the crop can obtained at cheaper rates from markets abroad. The price of hoop shoots in the market is rupees 50 per kg, while the cost of production is quite high. The arrival of hybrid hoops from abroad into the Indian market hits the farmers of the state badly, which forced them to shun its cultivation. Farmers in foreign countries are equipped with modern techniques of farming to enhance production and cut down the expenditure of labor cost. Amrit Singh, a native of Lahul and a former manager of Lahul Hoops Marketing Society, told the press. Hello viewers, now you should learn something. The hoop shoots cost about like 1 lakh per kg. I think you like this video, kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives, and also I request you to kindly subscribe this Aravinder Annai Arut channel, and also we will be very grateful for watching this video in full. Thank you very much.